Now what?
I just don't want to lose that lure. It's just hitting like constant.
How did you do that?
How did I do what?
Throw it over the
Oh, I
tree.
take fish.
That's like man's favorite sport right there. Good job, Dave. You saved Jim's butt. But you haven't saved his lure yet.
Chad, quite a little fishing spot. That wide angle, he's going to be so far away. Hit the water. Maybe not this one. Oh, we got some acrobatics here. He's coming up again.
Don't let him jump.
Show us.
Keep him down.
Keep him down. He wants to jump, man. Look at him fighting the current. Is he side hooked or what? Come on, girl. Alright, I'm tired.
Oh, it's a rock bass.
Yep. He rocks. I like rock bass. Go down to my brother's, where he used to live.
What are you doing?
I caught so many of these that my thumb was ripped up. I'm looking at them. These big hose. I don't think it's natural. Wrong chair.
Jim.
What? He's shooting rapid. Right when he popped through. What's that? Right when you pop through the weeds. Yeah. That didn't taste good. Alright, let me go in front of you so you guys stop killing my momentum. You want us to put you through. Get stuck. What? The Airstream. Oh. Isn't that awesome? Yeah, I wonder if they use it anymore. I don't remember the deck around it. I just remembered it being up. All the windows are broke out. You know, as is, I think probably worth money. There's some big rapids coming.
Oh man, whitewater, I hear it.
Holy cow. Where's Burt Reynolds when you need him?
Is he gonna blame that one on us? We're slowing down his momentum?
Are we going the same route or do you want to go right? You want to go right?
I don't think. No, I think we can go the same route.
Same route?
Let's go right. Uh-oh.
Hold on.
Wait, let me turn off the camera so people don't watch.
Oh, yeah, good idea. Film him. Who's left?
Okay, get up close.
You want close?
I think we just saw a big duck or something
Right
and it lost
your
its
head.
feather.
There's a fishing pole right next to you.
There's no lure in it.
There's no lure in it.
What is that?
Although there's a treble hook.
Kind of feather. What kind of feather is that?
I know you get out, but we'd all three get stuck. I had to get us all out. Oh, watch my phone. There you go.
What would have happened if Petey would have came on those
Oh,
rocks?
you'd have been doing some walking. And he'd been doing a lot of falling. That one video still cracks me up. Go ahead, you can show him. That was really gnawing on it there. Intimate.
That looks perfect.
Where we go? What are we doing?
Well, this is it.
I know. Are we getting out here?
Yeah.
Where you been?
Oh.
I actually thought you guys were never getting out of there. From my side, it looked like you were walled in. And so I stopped and was casting so that when you did dig out, I'd be fishing like I had been fishing. And I got stuck on that shelf.
We did have to go through some tight S-turns.
Yeah, like smaller than the actual canoe. You want to go to the right side of the tree?
No, the left.
Yeah, I'm not actually sure how I'm getting out of this.
Well, why don't you let us get out and then we'll help you.
Jim wanted to catch one more fish though.
And I got it.
Biggest one all day.
You want to get them off? You always have this much water in your boat?
What?
Just when you bring your dog. Well, yep.
Now you've been getting in and out all day.
Not out of it yet. One foot to go. Oh.
Piece of cake.